Kodak Pixpro Arizona 528 review. Is the AZ528 worth the hype in 2023? Today I am going to make a review about the most asked camera, the Pixpro AZ528. We are receiving a lot of comments regarding its performance and quality. That's why we decided to make a Kodak Pixpro Arizona 528 review. You must have heard of Kodak. The company is well known for making reliable cameras. If you are here, then you must be thinking to purchase it. I suggest reading further. You can click the purchase link and buy the AZ528 at a discount if you started liking it. Kodak Pixpro Arizona 528 review. Unbiased review. As a bridge camera between the point-and-shoot and DSLR, Kodak Astro Zoom stands out from the competition with its 52x powerful zoom, over 20 scene modes, and other amazing features for capturing beautiful pictures and videos with adjusted exposure, focus, and white balance. Why Kodak AZ528? There are a lot of cameras out there in the market, right? So, why the Kodak Pixpro's AZ528? The reason is that it is more suitable than the rest of its league. It is best to shoot video and take pictures at the same time on this camera. You can take magnificent pictures with this camera with its 16 megapixel CMOS sensor, which allows you to zoom 52x into the subject. You can also record remarkable videos with this camera. Most YouTubers nowadays are using the AZ528 as their vlogging camera because of its 1080p high-resolution video recording. Put the AZ528 into auto mode and let the camera do the work for you by setting and optimizing the ISO, exposure, aperture, and white balance levels. If you want to go a step further and experiment with the photography skills, the AZ528 gives you the option to manually set all these levels and more. It is both a vlogging and photography camera. Kodak Pixpro AZ252 features 1. Kodak Pixpro Arizona 528 performance. The AZ528 is capable of shooting 60 frames per second, which allows you to capture all the action without missing a beat. With just a quick turn of the dial, you are ready to shoot in high-quality 1080p video, which is another great feature to have at your fingertips. With the 16 megapixel CMOS sensor, you can capture high-quality pictures. The AZ528 is best for all kinds of photography, including macro photography, landscape photography, and also portraits. 2. 52x stable optical zoom. The zoom on this camera is incredible. The 52x zoom lets you get right up close to your subjects. With the powerful 16 million pixel CMOS sensor, you can zoom or crop all you want without any distortion in the photos. With the powerful 52x zoom, you can capture faraway objects and sceneries. The AZ528 can capture very far subjects easily without compromising on the quality of the images. Whether you are interested in sports photography or wildlife photography, or even if you are passionate about landscape photography, this camera suits your work in every way. The images taken have a balanced exposure and contrast and give a really realistic look. I have taken photos of piles of rocks. I have been able to pick a single rock in a pile of rocks about a quarter-mile away. I would highly recommend buying this camera. A camera for $200. Having 1080p video quality, without a shadow of a doubt, this is the best camera ever. Play video. About Kodak Pixpro AZ528 Review 3. 24mm wide-angle lens. The Pixpro AZ528 comes with a 24mm wide-angle lens which is perfect for landscapes and sceneries. With a 24mm wide-angle lens, you will be able to fit the whole family into the frame and capture the happiest moments in life. 4. Optical image stabilization. When comparing two cameras, one of the most important features to look into is optical image stabilization. The optical image stabilization improves the images or videos by removing the shakiness of the hand and thus making the recording or photos clear and blur-free. The optical image stabilization or OIS helps to produce a high-quality image or video by reacting to inducement in real time, ensuring that the path between the lens and the sensor is perfectly aligned before the subject is captured, thus allowing the user to software to more easily focus the image. So, to accomplish this, many manufacturers utilize highly sensitive gyroscopic sensors in any range of 2 to many which provide data of the angle and movement of the camera, and some even exist specifically to provide extra functionalities such as improved vertical stability by taking panoramic shots. These directional sensors work in combination with tiny electromagnets that affect the angle of either the lens or the image sensor, depending on the type of OIS employed. 5. 16 megapixels image sensor and 1080p HD video. With a 16 million pixels CMOS sensor, you will get amazing details, clarity, and some of the best photos you will ever take. With such a powerful sensor, you can capture all of the details in the photos without any blur. The AZ528 is perfect for both photography and videography at the same time. You can record videos at UHD 1080p resolution and get clear and detailed videos. Thus, you can save all the beautiful moments of life efficiently. 6. 3-inch LCD screen. With the large 3-inch LCD screen, you can see everything in your shot every time. The bigger screen lets you preview your photos before and after saving. You can also watch videos and photos after you capture them. You can delete the photos or videos you just filmed or captured if you don't want them, or keep them if you liked them. Kodak Pixpro AZ528 Review. A bigger display is important in a camera as it lets you decide the angle and frame you want to work with. You can adjust or preview your photos better on a bigger screen and make sure that the frame and angle look perfect and create the best pictures. 7. Wi-Fi connectivity. One of the best features of the camera is the built-in Wi-Fi. You can download the free Pixpro Remote Viewer app for iOS and Android, and you have even more freedom to not only take photos on the go but to share them with zero hassles. We think that's pretty impressive. Wi-Fi connectivity is very handy because it lets you transfer your data to other devices or upload photos to your social media account. 8. Battery and charging. The AZ528 uses rechargeable LB060 Li-ion batteries. The manufacturers include a USB cable with the camera, which makes it easy to recharge the camera using the AC adapter. These cameras shouldn't use AA batteries. Those are just waste. As compared to the AA batteries, these batteries are far better in terms of performance and reliability, and also better for the camera's health. 9. Color. The Kodak Pixpro AZ528 comes in gorgeous midnight blue color, which looks very beautiful and is really distinguishable. 10. 20